Hi everyone, my name's Amy. I'm an Inspirer at Winchester Science Centre, and today I'm going to be showing you an experiment you can actually try out at home. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at pH and finding out the different pHs of different things in your house. Now, we're not actually going to be using a fancy store-bought chemical to do this. We're actually going to be using red cabbage, which I'm sure some of you will have at home. But what you need to do to get your indicator, which is what we're going to be using, is you need to chop up some red cabbage, stick it in some water and boil it for about 2 hours. Once you've done that, we don't actually want the cabbage. We're happy to throw that away. What we need is the water, and that's what we're going to be using for our experiment. So in one of these test tubes, you can see we have got 5 different test tubes. They all have red cabbage water in. Now, the reason red cabbage water works, at the moment you can see it is a lovely, lovely purple colour, but when we add different things into it, it will change colour depending on the pH. For anyone who's not sure, pH basically depends on the amount of hydrogen ions that are in the different solutions we're looking at. If it's got lots of hydrogen ions, then it's going to be acidic. If it's got very few hydrogen ions, it's going to be alkali. And that will bring on a colour change. If it's really acidic, it'll be slightly pink. If it's really alkali, it'll be quite blue. And we can actually find out using different things from your house, and we can have a look and see what they are. So here we've got some lemon juice. We've got some washing up liquid dissolved in water. We've got some sodium bicarbonate dissolved in water. We've got some tonic water, and we've got some white vinegar. So we can have a look and see what pH all of these different things are.